Hey, full throttle kind of guy coming at you with some sketchy content. If you ever have gotten a car back from the dead and you got to go to the DMV and you pick the craziest day of the week, being Friday, to do it, hey, here you go. You're going to love this content. I don't have any in-car content. I'll explain why. More on that later. Right now I'm just trying to deal with the exhaust fumes leaking into the rusted floorboards in the car. But here I am with Mr. Crowley kicking it at the DMV. So anyways, I'll keep you posted. Hey, full throttle kind of guy. Survived the DMV. Not riding dirty, so got my plates for the old school plates. Man, let me tell you how times have changed. Remember the old days, you go to the DMV, pay 80 bucks or whatever the hell it was to register a car, even if it was out of state or whatever. But welcome to Oregon. For those of you not in the know, we got so many people relocating to the state, and it looks like the state's found a new cash cow. It's called registering your car. Yeah, sweet Jesus. Not to use the Lord's name in vain or his son thereof, but anyways, yeah. Here, I'll call this little segment Sticker Shock. How much do you think it is to register a vehicle in Oregon? Keep in mind, 1962, gas powered, no DEQ or emissions testing. Everybody wants to race, you know? Anyways, nothing spectacular. Car doesn't fly. I mean, it does when you hit the gas and everything, it flies. But nothing really hot to trot. These sons of bitches. I cannot believe how freaking expensive it is. It came out to a grand total of $418. My favorite addendum to this is the car doesn't get over 19 miles to the gallon, so I get hit with a $126 charge. And new to Oregon, anything for under 19 miles per gallon, an additional $101. So $227 if you got a gas guzzler, and then $7 for a VIN inspection and et cetera, to get your, custom vanity plates or, your retro plates and whatnot. But anyways, it's been a long time coming. So not gonna be riding dirty anymore. Gonna have my title. It's gonna be legit. So there we go. But yeah, it was a good feeling, and I'll come up before I, finish this off as far as, some bits of advice. If you're kind of bringing a car back from the dead, what your trip to the DMV is going to be like. I kind of planned it out. I kind of knew in my head what it was going to be like anyway, and true to form, my planning doesn't disappoint. So I'll come up with a list. But right now, gonna put the magic on and get rid of the old plates from 2007. So I'll come up with another segment. We'll head back to the house after this. Well, got my plates on. Threw the old one in back. I threw the other one up in the front. Part of the reason you're not gonna really see any footage is, one, I don't have my GoPro for my melon. But once I start this thing up, dude, you can't hear a single thing. I'm a veteran, 2 tours, done some things, seen some things. I have like one of the world's worst cases tonight, is just like any veteran, especially those who served in a combat environment. This thing, I would equate it to having a 50 cal going off like nonstop, is what it sounds like when you romp it. I just try to feather it and not romp it and get on it. One is my gas gauge don't work. 2 is, dude, this is a cop caller. So I just got to sneak around and wait till I get my exhaust put on. But got my plates. Just waiting for my title to come in. I'm still dealing with the freaking sticker shock. So looks like got some OT coming my way to try to offset the cost of them tags. Man, I miss the old days. 86 bucks it used to be. 418. How the hell do you do the math? I don't know. Welcome to bureaucracy and other excuses to jack the consumer in the ass. Anyways, feels good getting it done, getting plates. I'll be getting some more content out on the Galaxie. Yes, I still got it. No, I didn't give up on it. Dude, I'm a balanced portfolio. Got a little bit of Dart action, a little bit of Nova action, and I got some Galaxie action. I should be doing something kind of cool too. We've got a saddle blanket for the front seat until I can get some coin together to get a seat done, and I got an idea for like the door panels and whatnot. So keep posted, stay tuned, stay healthy, and I'll put this out. Like I said, I'll get something out on the Galaxie Hero shortly. Love you guys. Be good. Stay safe.